All right, if you're using Google Sheets and you have a range of data, like the one that we have here, and you want it to be in a certain order, and then you also want it to stay in that order, so if you add another line at the bottom, it will automatically move to where it should be. We'll go over how to do that right now. Let's come over to the right-hand side, and we'll launch it from this side panel. If you don't see this side panel, you should at least have these icons. But if you don't, come down to the bottom right, and this is to hide the side panel, and this is to show it. So use that toggle to show your side panel. And then you'll click on the plus sign for Get Add-ons, and then just come up to the top, search for StaySorted. Mine's already installed, but you would click here and then just follow through the prompts. If you need more information about how to install it, I'll link to that video right now. But let's close this, and we'll say you already have it installed, so we'll left click on the icon. So you'll get this side panel here with the different options, and the first thing that we want to do is tell it where the data is. So if there's other data that you want to ignore, make sure you just highlight what you want, and you can highlight the entire columns and leave the space at the bottom to catch new entries. So we'll click on that and it will fill it in for you. We do want to leave checked that it has a header, so it won't sort the first row. It'll leave that at the top. And then we'll say we want to sort it by column A, but then let's add another sort. All right, so we'll come down to the multi-sort option, and then we'll do it by price. So we'll come down and select C and just leave that as ascending. We'll come back up, and there's one last setting that we want, and that is whether or not you start sorting when you get all the way to the right and that column's updated, or when the sort column, in this case A, is updated. So we'll set it to sort when the rightmost column is updated, so it won't sort until we get all the way through. Scroll down, make sure we got everything. And we'll click Save and Sort. So this will go through, do the initial sort. And you can see this is in alphabetical order now, and then the prices get larger as you go down for each item description. All right, and we will add something at the bottom that we know doesn't belong at the bottom. It will get sorted. So we'll say light bulb, and then 10 of them for $2.99. We'll hit enter. It'll take a second to think about it, and then it will sort the light bulb up to where it should be. So I'll put a link on the screen right now to go to the Workspace Marketplace to install this add-on. Try it out for free for 7 days. The add-on's $59 for a lifetime license, and with a lower subscription option coming soon. Thanks for watching.